Hi YouTubers, welcome again to my channel Tech World, and today I'm gonna be reviewing the Braava Jet iRobot 250. So let's talk a little bit about the backstory about why I went ahead and invest in this robot. In our unique situation in our home, we have a lot of hardwood floor and tile, not a lot of carpet actually, and pretty much daily, we're in and out of the house, and we clean the floor maybe once a week, but in and out of the house we've accumulated a lot of dust and particles on the hardwood floor, and when you walk you keep spreading it all over. So we decided, you know what, it's time to get the robot to do the work so we don't have to keep cleaning the floor every day. And this is why we went ahead and got the iRobot Braava Jet. I did some research on other products, and the iRobot app was the selling point for me. There's many other mopping robot vacuum on the market, but a lot of them I found had a lot of deficiency in the app that they use to really control it remotely. And I was really I really got some good reviews from our comments from folks that were using the iRobot Braava Jet because of the how intelligent and smart the app is, as well as the quality of cleaning. So this robot here, I've had it for a few days now and I've tested it, and the way it cleans in random pattern, as they would say, but the actual style of the cleaning, it does like a scrub, and then it does like a 360 spin, and then it goes back and scrub the area. So it is a little bit slow, but it does get the work done in a more detailed way than other robot vacuum does. Now if you guys are new to robot vacuum like myself, there are so many other features that the robot vacuum can do, like scheduling, cleaning, ability to change the pads and use different pads. It also has the obviously it sprays solution on the floor. You can change what a solution is. You don't have to use the solution that iRobot provides. You can use water or just whatever flooring solution you use to clean the floor. So there's so many other benefits to it, but I love this vacuum. I've had it for about 3 days now. I've used it every day because it's so easy. The battery lasts a very long time, and it just makes one less thing in the house clean. So let's review what the vacuum looks like. It's really small. As you guys can see, it's basically the size of my hand. That's how small it is. In front of it you'll find a sensor. This detects barriers as well as detects any obstacles in the way. On the top of it there's a clean option, so instead of using the app to start the vacuum, you can just push the top here and that sends it into clean. It has a handle that allows you to reposition it, place it in different direction and move it around. And when you lift the handle up, there's a couple other features on this here. Take you guys close up. When you lift the handle up, you will find this basically a lock here. If you push it down, it removes the pad, so you can change the pad. And one thing that's so intelligent about this vacuum is that it detects what type of pad that's inside of the robot vacuum, if it's a dry pad, a damp pad, or a wet pad. And then over here is the water reservoir or the solution. So over here is the water reservoir or the solution container. Once you lift this up, you'll be able to add the different solutions that the robot is going to spray to keep the floor clean. This is the battery compartment. It's really easy. You just lift this up. It has a rechargeable battery. The battery lasts about, I think on the iRobot website it says about 45 minutes runtime. I've been using it on the floor with the tripod, and it lasts me about I'll say that's accurate, 45 minutes. In front of it, very simple design. You find that this part here moves around a lot because this is where the scrubbing happens on the floor. And then at the bottom of it, you see I have already used it a few times. This is the dry pad. You can change this. Easy to change. It just basically lifts out. These are the wheels on it. Very strong, very good wheels on this here. It doesn't get stuck at all, and I thought it would, but it doesn't. It climbs over carpets. It climbs over even I think up to half of an inch. Breaking the hardwood, it will climb over and does cleaning. Yeah, so simple, fun, easy to use, and worth the price. It's pretty heavy, I would say, for a small robot vacuum. Let's talk about what's inside the packages. So I think right now it retails about $250 at most places. But you do get the kit when you buy it, so you don't have to go there and right away buy any pads. You can right out the box. That's where the robot will be. Inside here, you'll find the extra pads. So it comes with 2 dry pads. So this is the sweeper pads, and then it also comes with 2. I believe this is the wet pads. Yeah, this is the wet pad. Comes with 2 wet pads. And I haven't used that yet. And then it has this unique dry pads. And so these ones here you would use if you're cleaning every day. The damp pads you can use when you clean every day, so it doesn't have to change the pads all the time. I went ahead also, I don't have it right now, but I went to Amazon and I purchased the reusable pad for the wet pads. So the wet pads, once you use it once, you can't reuse it again. Pretty much have to throw it away. But Braava Jet sells the what you call the reusable pads or washable pads for the wet solution. So it wets the floor. You can be environmentally friendly. Use that pad. Wash it when you're done and keep using it. That way you don't have to keep buying any pads. So it's a one-time investment. I think it's only like $7.99 for the reusable pad for 2 of them, which is perfect. The dry pads are really cheap. They're about $4.99 for a pack of 6 dry pads. And those you don't have to change all the time. Just depends on the state of the floor. So yeah, so that's it. That's the Braava Jet 240. There's 2 different versions of the iRobot Braava Jet. There's the M6, I believe, and the M640. Obviously those are for more bigger house. We probably have about, I want to say, 140 square footage in all the rooms of hardwood floor. So you know, this is pretty good robot vacuum for a smaller space. If you have a larger household, I would definitely invest in the M6 vacuum. And also it depends on how clean your floor is. So you know, if you have kids in the house, many family members, it would be better to get the more industrial vacuum. But in our space, this worked out pretty good. Just want to show you guys how the app works. So I went ahead here and downloaded the iRobot app, and then I went ahead and installed the robot, or sync the robot. And basically when you start it up, it really detects the robot vacuum. Once you push it on, the app will connect directly to the robot vacuum, and you will see they're ready to dry sweep. There you go. And it also tells you the state of the battery, so you can see the battery is 100%. And then you have the feature of set up a favorite setting, or you can go ahead and add a way. I think this is in beta mode right now, but you can go ahead and add different cleaning pattern. Wait, so I'll put that way for now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You see how it detects. Alright guys, so there you have it. I took some short video there of it cleaning a small space. Um, and one thing I want to say that I highly recommend this vacuum. It does say great for kitchen, bathroom, and up to 250 square footage homes. And this was just perfect for our home. Please, I recommend this product. Please check out my other videos on my channel on home security, and just random products that would make life easy in our world. And like I said, please subscribe and share this video. I'm sure there's many people out there right now would love to have this vacuum, especially if you find the floors getting dirty quite often. This is an easy solution, and you can definitely get it on sale at many stores. It's actually available at Best Buy and most retail outlets. So please invest for your floor, and for the health of your house. And like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you on the next video.